Hi. In today's video we're going to be discussing sales funnels. Before we get into the content, click the first link in the description if you want to make a full-time income from home. Let's get started.
A sales funnel is a graphic representation of the sales process a customer will go through when purchasing a product or service. This concept is based on the idea that all customers are led through more or less the same process when buying the product. Although the number of levels assigned to a sales funnel can vary from one company to another, the classic model includes the awareness, interest, decision and action phases. The number of prospective customers that are attracted in the awareness phase decreases in the next stages of the sales funnel, so the end result is a much smaller number of actual customers. The efficiency of a sales funnel can be evaluated based on the number of prospects found in each stage and on the conversion rates of the stages. A prospect who has just come into contact with your brand for the first time is unlikely to become a customer right away. Therefore, pitching them an offer as soon as they land on your capture page is an ineffective sales tactic. Also, failing to engage a first-time visitor could potentially result in a missed selling opportunity. Creating a sales funnel will determine how close to buying your product each prospect really is. You can leverage this information to devise a comprehensive marketing plan that addresses potential customers based on their proximity relative to the moment of purchasing. Depending on the nature of the products you're offering, the sales cycle may take anywhere from hours to months, or even years in some cases. Since this can be a long process, to increase your chances of selling, it's important to understand and direct your customer's journey as much as possible. A funnel allows for greater control over the entire sales process. Based on how far along the funnel they are, your clients have a different state of mind and a different attitude toward your product. Therefore, ideally, you should design a marketing strategy that includes content tailored to support communication with prospects arriving at each particular stage of the funnel. Or, if you already have a marketing plan in place, a well-thought-out sales funnel could help you evaluate its effectiveness and tweak it where necessary. For instance, the information that a new lead may find relevant won't be as interesting for a client who has already purchased your products in the past. Understanding how well acquainted your potential customers are with your brand and gauging their levels of interest relative to your products will help you design content that both your prospects and existing clients will deem valuable. Additionally, if you fail to interact with your potential customers in a meaningful way throughout the sales process, they could lose interest, exit the cycle, and turn their attention to one of your competitors instead. The sales funnel lets you carve a clear sales path for your prospects and enables you to guide them through the funnel from one stage to the next until they're finally ready to buy. The sales funnel also enables you to collect a large volume of valuable data that you could then employ for lead generation. Think about it this way: if you're selling fitness programs, and your data suggests that, in spring, your audience spends more time reading your fat loss content, then, in spring, you might want to prioritize potential customers who are specifically interested in fat loss. The sales funnel offers you the possibility to trace consumer habits. In today's heavily digitized world, the way people interact with brands is constantly changing. Businesses that track their potential buyers' behaviors and expectations, and make an effort to understand and keep up with an ever-changing environment have more of a chance to create and develop an up-to-date marketing strategy and offer their clients an outstanding customer experience. To learn more about sales funnels and have the opportunity to make a full-time income from home, click the first link in the description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you on the next video.